this course. Let's take a look at some of the things you should know before you take the course. You should have a basic knowledge of HTML, also basic knowledge of CSS, knowledge of JavaScript and Node.js, and also some basic database concepts. Who should take the course? Anyone who's new to the mean stack development, also anyone who wants to learn something new. What will you learn? This is a practical course, so you will learn by doing. We are going to create a fully functional mean stack CRUD application. CRUD stands for create, read, update and delete. So we'll be creating the server backend API using Node, Express and MongoDB. We will be creating the front end of the application using AngularJS. So we'll use that to consume the data in the API. We will install different dependencies. We also install the Angular CLI tool. We will be creating a MongoDB schema. We will create routes. We'll also create interaction between routes and our MongoDB schema. We'll be creating an Angular component. We'll also be configuring the component. We'll be creating a data service. We'll be creating various HTTP methods that we can use to interact with our backend. We'll also be creating various functions, and we'll be creating a CRUD application using the main stack. The course format is video based and it's approximately 7.5 hours long. Thanks for watching and bye for now.